Of course, this is the Committee on Basic Education, but I have some questions on your presentation. Slide 20, ComSec. On the CHED presentation. This one. This is 9 units, I understand. Bakit ba tayo nagtuturo ng PE sa college? Diba, bakit ba nagtuturo ng 8 units o 8 units? But bakit ba tayo nagtuturo ng PE sa college? I remember when I was studying in the US, wala na kaming PE. After how many ang PE in basic, how many every year yan meron, di ba?
Every sem, senior high.
And every sem, no?
Senior high.
In senior. So may PE ka for 10 years. Pagpasok mo ng college, PE na naman. Diba? It's really about time to be honest about it, eliminate and push this down to basic education. So that when you leave basic education, you just focus on your concentration, on your specialization. Like art appreciation, why do you have to teach that in college? That should be in basic education if we really want to teach students art appreciation. I think we have art appreciation in basic education. Yeah. Rizal, lahat naman tayo in basic education, we taught Rizal at an early age. Not even in college, but also in elementary school, no? In grade 9, no? So, but I understand some of these are legislated. So we really need to review, and we will ask the help of EDCOM and CHED to review these subjects. If we can amend the law, if those other subjects are not in the form of law, then I'm urging CHED to review this already and eliminate as possible. Top of mind is PE. No, I don't think PE is a requirement for higher education learning. No? So the rest, maybe we can review it. But the concept here, if we can push this down to basic education, because basic education should be universal. No? Everyone should learn all of these subjects. So if we can push some of this to basic education, then that will be the best case. At least when they now transfer to higher education, they're focused on their specialization, research, more intense discussion on their subject. No? So again, I'd like to, I'm urging the CHED to review these subjects. Before I call